My dear precious, valuable viewers, I hope you are doing well. Today I want to explain Jolly Phonics Group 1, the fourth sound, four letter of Jolly Phonics Group 1. The letter is I and the sound is ih, ih, ill, sit, hill, lip. My dear kids, what you can see in that picture? Oh, here is a lot of mess. Here is an ink bottle which is open, glass of water which is going to drop, stationery box. It is also going to drop. I think so. It is all due to this mice which is on the box. And when the boy came, you check the boy. He is very in disturbing mode because his workbook, his books will spoil due to ink and water. My dear kids, it's a good habit to leave everything open when you want to go outside the study room, or you put glass of water or open ink pot on the desk, on the table on which you are doing work. So it is not good. Whenever you want to go outside, you leave your home, you leave your study table, you must close the ink bottle and never put the glass of water on your study table. It may be damage your books, your notebooks, your workbooks. Okay, what's the story behind this picture? When Asad came to his room, he was surprised to see a mouse jump from his desk. You check it? Here is a mouse who jumped from the desk on the books. Everything was spoiled by the ink bottle being opened and the glass of water. You check the worksheet is a drawing portion which is going to spoil due to ink bottle and glass of water. The stationery was scattered and Asa started burning. My dear kids, we should to keep everything locked up and organized when we want to leave the room or home. Okay, my dear kids, what's the next? Yes, it's a favorite segment, which is a song time. What's the song behind the sound eh? Ink is the mouse, my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink gets spread all over the desk. Ink is white. Sing again with me. Inky the mouse, my pet. She spilled the ink and got wet. The ink is spread all over the desk. Ink is white. Okay, what's the next segment? It is word building. It's very important segment. That's why we want to explain Jolly Phonics. Word building. First of all, we read four sounds. Jolly Phonic Group 1. First sound is S, second is A, third is yes, T, and fourth one is I. So we make new word it, 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 it's, it, set. So it's a good method to teach little kids like it, set to make new words. Okay, and what's the action behind this story? Behind this sound? you pretend as you have itching on your face and you remove itching, or you have a paint on your face, you want to remove them, so you use two hands, two fingers, and say eh, eh, eh. It's all about today, my dear kids. Inshallah, we'll meet on tomorrow with next video, next sound, next letter. Take care. Allah Hafiz.